students, let's start to discuss about types of resources. There are two types of resources. What is natural resources or human-made resources? That is your resources, natural, and then man-made resources. Man-made resources. Okay. Now question arises, what it means. एक आता है प्राकृतिक संसाधन, दूसरा आता है मानव निर्मित संसाधन. प्राकृतिक संसाधन मीन्स एयर, वाटर, लैंड, silver, gold, iron, etc. Now, man-made resources means transports, buildings, parks, machines, etc. And then natural resources also includes human resources. Okay, human resources. Okay, now let's discuss that कि संसाधन हमने बोला कि प्राकृतिक संसाधन और मानव निर्मित संसाधन. Let's discuss about natural resources. Natural resources, प्राकृतिक संसाधन as air, water, land, all these are natural resources, and as human we are also a resource, but we are saying human resource, and it is human resource that all other man-made resources is present in front of us. और ये मानव संसाधन ही है कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का जो भी वर्क हो रहा है, जो भी बिल्डिंगें बन रही है, पार्क बन रहे हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स बन रहे हैं, स्कूल्स बन रहे हैं, ये सब किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? मानव संसाधन की वजह से. ओके, वेदर इट्स इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर्स और लेबर्स, all these people are working so that we can see all these amenities. Okay, now we will discuss about classification of natural resources. Okay, classification of natural resources on the basis of origin means biotic and then abiotic. Biotic means plants, animals, and then human beings. Abiotic means air, water, soil, moon, sun, light, all these things are abiotic. Means जैविक और अजैविक. जैविक संसाधन means जितने भी पेड़ पौधे हैं, all plants, animals and human beings are called biotic resources, and abiotic resources means which have no lives. Okay, means जिनमें कोई जीवन नहीं है. Air, water, soil, moon, sunlight, all these are abiotic resources. Okay, now what it means broadly. or we can say that biotic means living things, the resources which is living things. Okay, abiotic means which is non-living things. And further classifications we will do in next lectures. Thank you guys.